What's something people don't know about building wealth? It's not just about hitting the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's about making smart choices consistently, no matter your age. Whether you're grinding in your 20s, hustling in your 30s, or killing it in your 40s, the steps you take today directly impact your financial future. In this video, I'm breaking down a clear roadmap for building wealth at every stage of life. We're talking actionable steps you can start implementing right now to create, grow, and protect your wealth. This is the kind of stuff they should teach in school, but they don't. So grab your notepad, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's dive in with Finance Fix Pro. Alright, let's be real, nobody likes the B word, budget. It's often seen as a chore, something that takes the fun out of spending. It sounds restrictive, boring, maybe even a little scary. But what if I told you that budgeting can actually be empowering? But trust me, budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going, so you can make it work harder for you. It's about taking control and making informed decisions. Think of it like this. If you were building a house, you wouldn't just start throwing bricks together, right? You'd need a solid plan. You'd have a blueprint, a plan. This blueprint ensures that every brick is placed correctly, and the house stands strong. That's what a budget is for your money. It's your financial blueprint, guiding you to make the best choices. In your 20s, it's all about building that solid foundation. This is the time to set yourself up for future success. Use apps like Mint or YNAB, they're lifesavers. They simplify the process and make budgeting less daunting. These tools track your income and expenses, categorize everything, and show you exactly where your money is going. They provide insights that can help you adjust your spending habits. It's like having a financial GPS guiding you towards your goals. With a clear view of your finances, you can navigate your way to financial freedom and peace of mind. Now let's talk about investing. It's a topic that might seem daunting, especially when you're in your 20s and just starting out in your career. I know what you're thinking. Investing in my 20s? Is it even possible with all the financial pressures? I'm still paying off student loans and can barely afford avocado toast. How can I even think about investing right now? Listen, I get it. But here's the thing. Time is your biggest asset when it comes to investing, especially with the power of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is like magic. It's the concept of earning interest on your interest, and it can significantly boost your wealth over time. It's basically earning interest on your interest, and over time it creates a snowball effect that can turn even small contributions into significant wealth. Imagine a tiny snowball rolling down a hill, picking up more snow and growing larger as it goes. Don't worry about starting big. The key is consistency and patience. Even $50 or $100 a month invested consistently can grow exponentially over time. It's all about building the habit and staying committed. Start with simple, low-cost index funds or use apps like Robinhood or Acorns that make investing accessible and even a little bit fun. These tools can help you get started without needing a lot of money up front. Okay, let's talk about debt. We've all been there. Student loans, credit cards, maybe even a car loan. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from your financial goals. The key in your 20s is to avoid falling into debt traps. High-interest credit card debt is the worst offender. Pay off your credit card balances in full every month. If you can't afford to pay it off in full, don't buy it. It's easy to get caught in the cycle of buy now, pay later, but trust me, it's not worth the stress and the long-term financial burden. Live below your means, be mindful of your spending habits, and prioritize paying down high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Chapter 4. Learn about money. Alright, moving on to your 30s. You're more established in your career, maybe thinking about starting a family, buying a house. Life is getting real. This is the time to level up your financial knowledge. Think of it like this. You wouldn't try to fix a car engine without knowing how it works, right? The same goes for your finances. Read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. Listen to podcasts, follow financial experts online, and educate yourself on topics like investing, real estate, and building multiple streams of income. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Chapter 5. Increase your income. In your 30s, it's not just about managing your money, it's about making more of it. Focus on career advancement, negotiate for higher salaries, explore side hustles, or freelance in your spare time. The goal is to create multiple streams of income. This not only boosts your earning potential but also provides a safety net in case one income stream dries up. Remember, your income is your biggest wealth-building tool. Don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth and explore different avenues for increasing your earning power. Chapter 6. Invest bigger, think smarter. Now that you're earning more, it's time to put that money to work for you. Start diversifying your investments beyond just index funds. Look into real estate, explore investing in a business, or consider alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending. The key is to spread your risk and not put all your eggs in one basket. Continue maximizing your contributions to retirement accounts like your 401k or IRA. The more you invest now, the more time your money has to grow, and the closer you'll be to achieving your financial goals. All right, you've hit your 40s. You're a seasoned pro now, right? But life can throw curveballs, so it's crucial to have a solid financial safety net. By now, your emergency fund should be well established, covering at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses. This fund is your peace of mind, your financial buffer against unexpected events like job loss, medical emergencies, or car repairs. Having a healthy emergency fund allows you to navigate those challenges without derailing your financial progress. If you have kids, now's the time to get serious about saving for their future. College costs are no joke, so start early with a 529 college savings plan. These plans offer tax advantages and can help you build a substantial education fund for your children. Remember, investing in your children's education is an investment in their future and a legacy you can be proud of. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. In your 40s, prioritize maxing out your retirement contributions. Take advantage of catch-up contributions if you're behind on your savings goals. Remember, compound interest is your best friend, and the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Imagine retiring comfortably, traveling the world, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. That's what maximizing your retirement savings allows you to do. Chapter 10. Reduce financial risks. As you accumulate wealth, it's essential to protect it. Make sure you have adequate health, life, and disability insurance. This protects you and your family in case of unexpected events. Review your insurance coverage regularly to ensure it aligns with your current needs and financial situation. Think of insurance as a financial safety net that provides peace of mind and protects your hard-earned assets. Chapter 11. Pay down debts. By your 40s, you've likely accumulated some debt. A mortgage, maybe a car loan. Now's the time to get aggressive about paying down those debts. Focus on paying down high-interest debts first, like credit cards. Then shift your focus to larger debts like your mortgage. Imagine the feeling of being debt-free, owning your home outright, and having more financial freedom. That's the power of prioritizing debt reduction. Chapter 12. Legacy planning. Okay, it's not the most exciting topic, but it's crucial. Start thinking about estate planning and creating or updating your will. This ensures your assets are distributed according to your wishes and provides for your loved ones in case something happens to you. Consult with an estate planning attorney to create a plan that meets your specific needs and protects your legacy. Outrow Build Your Future, Secure Your Legacy. There you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to building wealth at any age. Whether you're just starting out or well into your career, these steps can help you secure your financial future. No matter where you are in life, whether you're just starting out in your 20s, full of dreams and ambitions, or hitting your stride in your 40s, balancing responsibilities and planning for the future, it's never too late to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Every step you take today can lead to a more secure tomorrow. Remember, building wealth isn't about luck. It's about making smart choices consistently and taking action. It's about setting goals and working towards them diligently. It's about educating yourself, seeking advice when needed, and staying committed to your financial plan. So, which of these steps are you going to implement today? Will you start budgeting, investing, or perhaps setting new financial goals? Let me know in the comments below. Your journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Finance Fix Pro for more game-changing financial tips. Join our community of savvy savers and smart investors. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep striving for financial success, and remember, your future is in your hands.